Embark on an endless adventure at Middle Street, the pinnacle of student accommodation in Nottingham. Choose from a range of single and shared ensuite apartments, each meticulously crafted to enhance your living experience. Dive into the essentials for comfortable living: a plush bed for rejuvenating sleep, a dedicated desk and chair for focused study sessions, spacious wardrobe to keep your attire impeccably organized, and your own private ensuite bathroom. But there's more. Off-street parking ensures seamless access, while modern, stylish living spaces cater to your every need. And the cherry on top: utility bills are included, lightening the load on your wallet. Location-wise, both University Park campus and the University of Nottingham are just a stone's throw away, ensuring your academic pursuits are easily accessible. Nearby restaurants, pubs, and attractions guarantee a vibrant student life. From tempting delights at eateries like Best Pizza and Kebab and Amore's Italian restaurant, and to satisfying your caffeine fix at Greenwood Coffee and Cartwheel Coffee. Beeston, there's something to tantalize every taste bud. Plus, residing here means significant time and cost savings, with various transportation options conveniently close to this charming accommodation. Does this sound like the perfect package for you? If so, visit amberstudent.com to secure your ideal stay at Middle Street in Nottingham today.